In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Google Drive to Canva. First things first, you can head over to canva.com and then from in there, just click on to this apps option. Now you can hear all of the apps that Canva actually offers. So since we want to connect our Google Drive, what we can do is we can head over and then find it right here into your applications. So click on the search right here and search in here for a drive, for example. You can click onto this Google Drive option and then you can find it right here. So click onto this and then from in there click onto this use an existing design or use a new design. So in here you can keep everything in its place with Google Drive and this will actually give Canva permission to open your Google Drive. So for example, let's use it in a new design. Let's use it into a document for example. Now this will open a new design in your Canva and it will actually ask you to authorize access to your Google Drive. As you can see right here, it will prompt you to connect your Google Drive, so click on the disconnect option. Now once you have clicked on it, this will open a new window that will prompt you to do this or choose the account that you will connect to Canva. So into this, just wait for this to finish loading process and then just choose the account that will be connected. I'll choose in here this account of mine and then just wait for a few seconds for it to be successfully connected into your Canva. Now you can see in here all of the files that I have available in my Google Drive and I can easily add those assets right here into my document. You can just click on any assets right here and then from in there it should be added all together. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.